Ka Ophis BJP Shillong kala shongshit puk hadian bamenta ka khatsan tarik unopra arhazar arfuar Lynguh ki MLA barim but way u MLA shimet kilawan ban Iasoh shaka BJP kini Ngut ki kentup yoba HM Shangpliang u Benedict R Marak u Samuel M Sangma bat ka Ferlen CA Sangma ya kini Ngut la pediang sobha do president ba Ernest Mauri u MLA u ba Sanbor Shulai bat kiway kini ki Ngut kiladep Iasoh sha ka BJP ha New Delhi inin kasni ha ka jingidon lang ki he nong yalam bakin tup u mentri rang ba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma u JP Nanda u president ka BJP bat kiway.
Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, along with this subject matter has been endorsed to the central leadership. So we are waiting for their call. It's not in our hand. We met several times. On the 6th and 7th, we have the National Office Bearer meeting, where the Honorable Prime Minister himself was in the meeting, attended the meeting. And recently we have the meeting with the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, along with the National President JP Nanda ji, and the National Organizing Secretary B.L. Santosh ji. We are making the strategy how to fight election, how to strengthen the party, and how to identify the seat, more seat, when there will be seat. We have discussed all those things.
Actually, I joined, I associated with BJP for only development and leadership in the movie. We hope more development will get from center because of that.
Correct.
Why did you leave UDP?
I'm only 5 years I associate with UDP.
Why you left?
This is my choice. No?
It's not good. But it's not good for you.
Not like that.
No.
BJP is
party,
good.
any party is good. Any party is good.
Wants better development.
I don't
BJP
blame
is
any
more
party.
better other party.
But I am hoping from center leadership, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister. I associate
Double engine will bring
BJP
crores and crores of
So
developmental scheme.
when can
He didn't have to resign.
I think I no need to resign. This is I am independent. Well, time so over, then I'll join BJP. Then I'll contest BJP ticket.
Yes.
That means.
Well, the decision to join the BJP is mainly because of the changes that we want to bring in the state, the development that we want to give to the people. There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years. And we would like to bring medical colleges, engineering colleges, wherein the youths of the state would get an opportunity to study in these colleges instead of going outside the state to study. Getting seats in medical colleges and engineering colleges have become a big pain and big problem for our youth. If we have our own colleges, it would be a lot beneficial for them. We would like to bring a lot of development for the rural areas as well, wherein we would like to give rural housing for the poor. The JJM would have to go in a more larger scale, though it is being implemented now. We would like to see every household getting a water connection. We'd like to see many other developments in the health sector as well. We need good hospitals in the state. We would like to have a massive cancer hospital coming up. We'd like to know a lot of schools to come up. In fact, government schools, government colleges should be coming up. Therefore, if I count the list, it is endless. There's a lot of things for us to do. And this can be possible only through the help of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because it is through his hands and through his visions and dreams that we can convert Meghalaya under the banner of the BJP. And that is why I joined the BJP.
Leave two parties, Congress
Okay.
and AITC.
So you know very well the Congress had undergone a lot of crisis in between. In the 2020-21, there was a crisis at the center level. There was a crisis in the state, and there was like-minded friends who came out from the Congress, and we joined Trinamool Congress at that point of time. Trinamool Congress eventually was not acceptable to my people in my constituency. I tried to convince my people, and they were saying that it is not a party where they would love to be in. And they were the one who suggested me to go to the BJP, because the rural people in my constituency, they understand how much Modi ji has helped them during the COVID time. Even till date, the rice that Narendra Modi ji had given is popularly known as Modi's rice. In Khasi they call Khao Modi. So even that is so popular now. Therefore, the people themselves have asked me, please go to BJP, and that's how I am here in BJP today.
Yes.
Difference in the way that the Congress was functioning. It was not possible even to meet any central leaders of the Congress whenever we went to Delhi to meet them. Leave aside meeting Sonia Gandhi. And yesterday, at one instance, the appointment was kept at 2 p.m. and the national president of the BJP, JP Nadda ji, was present there at 2 p.m. to meet us. That is the way the commitment is seen by us. That is the difference that is seen by us. That means the leadership under the BJP are disciplined. The leadership under the BJP means business, and they're committed to serve the people.